Mafia is a game played amongst a group of people where they are divided into two groups, the mafia and the innocent, which includes villagers, doctor, and a cop. The objective of mafia is to eliminate the villagers, while the villagers have to identify and vote the mafia out. A moderator, referred to as God, mediates the entire game. There are special roles among the participants like cop and doctor, which act as an added advantage to their side. Role 1, Mafia. Mafia is the villain of this game. Their objective is to keep their identity secret and eliminate villagers till the game ends. They can kill villagers by choosing someone during each round of the game or lie to convince others to vote out a villager. They know who is innocent, but don't know exactly who has special role, like doctor or cop. Mafia wins the game when the number of villagers left is as much as Mafia or less. Role 2, Villager. This is the most common role in the game. Their only aim is to guess who the Mafia is and convince everyone else to vote them out. They have no special power. Role 3, Doctor. Doctor is on the villagers team. A doctor has power to save one of the innocents, including themselves, in every round by taking the right guess. Doctor loses this power if he gets eliminated. He doesn't know who the mafia is or who is innocent. Role 4, Cop or Detective. Cop is on the villagers team as well. They can check with God whether a player is mafia or not during the night phase, but cannot reveal their identity. Instead, they can give hints and convince others to protect a villager or kill a mafia. Also, a cop gets to check only one player per night phase. Cop has limited chances to identify the mafia. They lose their power if they get eliminated. Role 5, Silencer. Silencer can choose a participant to remain silent during an entire round of discussion. They are on the Mafia's team, but they don't know who Mafia is. Silencer wins only when Mafia wins. Silencer loses this power if they get eliminated. The game begins with the moderator assigning roles to each of the participants anonymously. This can be done using a deck of cards or a random name generator when playing online. There are two phases of the game, that is day and night. The sequence. The god announces the phase. The game starts with the night phase when everyone is supposed to close their eyes. God then asks only the mafia to open their eyes and point at a person who they wish to eliminate. Once the mafias have identified their target, they close their eyes. Next, the god asks the doctor to open their eyes and point at a person who they wish to save. If coincidentally the doctor saves the mafia's target, that participant will not get killed. After the doctor, it is the cop's turn. The cop has limited chances to identify the mafia. They point at a participant and the god signals if that participant is mafia or not. Thus, the cop knows the correct identity of a participant after every round, till their chances expire. Once these roles have played their part, the day phase begins. During the day, the villagers discuss and try to vote the mafia out, while the mafia convinces the villagers to vote out one of the innocents. One person is voted out after every round, and the game continues till there are no more mafias left or there are an equal number of villagers and mafias left in the game. Points to remember. There need to be at least 5 participants, excluding the moderator, to start the game. Everyone has to follow the moderator's commands at all times to keep the game unbiased. The identity of the participant killed by the mafia is revealed at the end of the vote out in that round, and hence their vote is included in the vote out. None of the participants with special characters are allowed to reveal their role directly to the other participants. However, they can give hints to the others about their identity. Please note that there are multiple variations of the game and different rules too. We would explain our version of the game verbally before the start of each game.